Trust me, if you are having a hard time meditating, you are not alone. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you 5 tips and tricks to help you meditate. I wanna start off this video by saying, yes, it could be difficult to meditate sometimes. It's trial and error. Sometimes you have to find what works for you, and what works for me may not work for you. You might have friends or people on the internet saying, this is how you meditate, you should do this works for me. But the beauty of it is there's no rules to meditation, and you really just have to find what works for you. So I'm gonna be going through 5 things that I've found through my journey that has helped me gain more of a development to meditate. So number 1 is the position of meditating. Sitting down, feet on the floor. Is that comfortable for you? Is it more comfortable if your back is supported against something? When it comes to finding a position that's good, that works for you, it really has to do with comfort. Some people sit crisscross applesauce, but to me, sometimes it bothers my ankles. And I know it sounds so silly, but if you're not physically comfort, you might not be able to fully tune in to your meditation. You know what I mean? A lot of times your mind is looking for your body to feel safe and comfortable and grounded through meditation. So if that means putting your back against the wall, try it with your back against the wall, because that really has helped me. Sometimes if I'm just sitting crisscross applesauce, I'm like, I can't get comfortable. So tip number 2 is timing and when you meditate. So for me, I found 2 timings of the day in my life that really helped me. Number 1 is the morning, and number 2 is after my workout. So it wasn't until recently that I started meditating after my workout, and there's studies behind this that show your mind is more at ease and relaxed after a workout. So if you are having trouble meditating, try to do it after a workout or after some type of movement. You have more free time in the morning where you can schedule a time to just sit down for 5-10 minutes and meditate. Or are your mornings busier and you have to do it at night? And like I said before, there is no right or wrong at all. You just really have to discover what makes you feel at ease and be able to focus and tune into your meditation. So number 3, my 3rd tip is to try meditating outside. Try meditating by the ocean. Try meditating sitting on the sand. Try meditating in the mountains. Try sitting on the grass. Try getting a chair, sitting outside on the grass. Just try being outside in nature, because there's a certain connection with nature that you feel such at ease, for me at least. And if you haven't tried it, try it. And let me know if that helps, because I'm telling you, being outside is so calming. But again, like I said before, being outside may not be calming for you, but it's calming for me. But give it a try. Don't assume that sitting by an ocean is gonna give you anxiety. Try it. Don't assume that things aren't gonna work. Give it a try. Number 4 is try a guided meditation. So I'm gonna list one of my 2 favorite guided meditations here on YouTube below. And I love them. They're a 10-minute guided meditation. One is a manifestation meditation, and the other is a powerful start to your day meditation. And try that. If sitting by yourself, having someone tell you where to guide your mind might help you. It helps me tremendously. For some people, just sitting by yourself trying to meditate with no guidance just is a little difficult, and that's normal. So I would definitely recommend guided meditation. And there are so many on YouTube, so many, but I found 2 that I really like. Yeah, so definitely give guided meditation a try. They also have apps for guided meditation. They also, I think there's an app called Calm that not only has guided meditation, but they also have sounds, which is soothing and relaxing. Ultimately, you want to find something that relaxes you. And like I said before, what relaxes me may not relax you. What relaxes your best friend may not relax you. And don't feel like that's not normal. That is normal. Everyone has different methods and feelings of ways to feel relaxed. Trust me, if you are having a hard time meditating, you are not alone. So number 5 is, if none of these tips and tricks help you, find an environment that really relaxes you. So nature, try nature. If it's sitting on your bed in front of a window, try sitting on your bed in front of a window. If it's sitting on your couch, sitting on the floor, sitting on your balcony, sitting on your roof, just be safe. You just want to find an environment, whether that's inside or outside, that mentally and physically makes you feel at ease. So all in all, don't give up. And another thing is, if you feel like your meditation is feeling forced, don't do it. Don't do it. Try it another time of the day. If you wake up and all of a sudden one morning it's just not working, that's okay. Try it another time of the day. Sometimes we wake up on the wrong side of the bed. You know, sometimes we have dreams or we sleep wrong that just alter our mental state, and that's okay. That's normal, but just don't give up. And I know sometimes right when you start a meditation, it can feel uncomfortable and it can feel hard, but give it some time and try. If it works, amazing. If you keep trying and you're trying and it's just not working, don't force the resistance. Try it another time of the day. So just to recap, like I said, position physically, sitting, where you're sitting, what you're sitting on, timing, try after a workout, try in the morning, try after a shower if that helps relaxes you. What helps me personally is after a workout and in the morning. Try going outside in nature, try a guided meditation, and just find what works for you and what makes you feel most relaxed. I hope this video helped you guys out. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for your support, and I will see you in my next video.